up, y'all? I'm here. It's about 7, maybe about 6 or about 7 something. Nah, that's a little joke, but it's about 6 right now. And I'm gonna start making this cheese and getting a steak, a salad, tomatoes, and corn. So they're gonna see some stuff. I'm not gonna be able to record a lot of stuff, but you'll see me on camera. So yeah, this is my morning right now, but I try to accomplish everything. So gotta get it done. Gotta get it done. All right, y'all. I just got out. I'm getting a haircut. Y'all. Today or tomorrow. 'Cause I don't know. Maybe other people have plans today. My brother might have some. But yeah, it was a good day. 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. Wasn't really nothing hard. It wasn't bad, man. I was able to finish everything. So I work smarter, not harder. I don't try to tire myself, feel me? So I make certain type of, sections. Well, not sections, but I do a perfect selection of the mile, which is the tomatoes, and then I do a perfect selection of the corn. I try not to do too much work. I try to pair them out separately, not all together, so then I can finish on time. But it was a good day today. Okay, not a good day this morning, not today. Not like the other video. I said today. It was a good morning, but I know that God is doing some good things in my life, and I just got to keep being consistent with what I do. Basketball vlogs are coming, so they're coming. So can't wait for y'all to see those. Can't wait, man. Yeah, it's so hot, man. It's so hot out here. It's too hot. But yeah, y'all comment below what do y'all like Chipotle or not? You feel me? Because some people like Chipotle, some people don't. So I can't really, I can't tell for people. But yeah, man. Yeah. Crispy. Alright, yo. Made it, y'all. Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah, Dunkin' Donuts. Shit, I look good. I still look good. Ooh. I just got from work, y'all. Oh, shoot. My food right now, y'all. Just ordered. And I'm like eating Dunkin' Donuts after work, bro. Yeah. Some Dunkin' Donuts, y'all. Hungry, y'all, man. 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. Boy, hungry, boy. Too hungry. Especially when I make all that food and not be able to eat it. But yeah, I'm waiting.
Are you doing like content creation or something?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I felt it.
All right, y'all have a, okay. You have a good one. Oh, shit. My bad. Oh, made it through. It's kind of crisp. Got this food, y'all. Shoot. Got 3 donuts. I got 3 donuts, and I got the wrap from the wrap. Y'all know the wrap with the sausage in it. It's like about $4 or $5. But all this total that came up $8, so it wasn't bad at all. It wasn't that bad. I got jelly, I got chocolate, and I got cream, I think, Boston cream. I forgot what you call it, Bavarian cream, whatever they called it. But I'm finna tear this junk up, man. I'm finna tear this junk up for sure. Wait, man, okay. Well, we back. We at the crib. It's a cubicle. Ain't no crib. It's a cubicle. We at the cubicle. LOL. We at the cubicle. Ladies first.
Okay.
Technically not, because I said ladies first. But this.
That's holding your phone.
Alright, y'all. I just made it back here, and now I'm about to go get in the shower, freshen up, cause shave and stuff like that. I'll show y'all. I want to do what I gotta do to freshen back up, all that good stuff. So, yeah. I get in the shower, man. Gotta get in there. All right. Good. Yeah. So really good, yeah. You know what other people see. All right. This is the finished product, y'all. Put that curly cream on my hair. Make my hair more curlier, and yeah, I mean, I like it. I like it, man. If I got any girls watching this, they probably blushing right now. But yeah, man, I felt blessed and blessed to do this. So yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's crazy. It works, man. It works. It works. Can't get mad about it either. It works. Man, my hair is really curly. It is curly, y'all. Gosh, it works though. But yeah. I'll go for this walk, y'all. I gotta go walking. It's been, it's been an alright day. Hasn't been pretty bad, but still going, so that's all we can do. That's all we can do. I'll go for this walk though. They say it's a storm's coming to Florida, but I don't know yet, so we'll see. Most definitely. I forgot my mic, y'all. No matter. I can still hear me. I can still hear me. So, yeah. Another day of vlogging, man. That's the day of vlogging. The curls really worked, man. It really worked. It really worked. Whew, man. I feel great. I feel really good, y'all. Man, just going for a walk, being able to makes me feel even pretty better, actually. So we're doing it. So. Yeah. My day has been a little bit a little weird. Is it me or just like, I don't know, man. It hasn't been weird. It's just like people, man. It's like, I don't know. People make life harder, so you know you just gotta do what you gotta do. It hasn't been hard, like the other past few days, but it's been hard. I think today, so a little bit. It was like when I got in the start in the morning. It was a little hard because the truck I came late, so you know I gotta do what you gotta do. I get some of that stuff in the freezer, start making it early. But yeah, man. Yep. You gotta do what you gotta do. In this world we live in today, so you know, hustle's not gonna do it. You gotta be consistent. You gotta have discipline. Motivation's not gonna do it. Gotta have God. Gotta have a relationship with God. It's really important nowadays, man. Anything can happen to the point where something else can, you know, unexpectedly can happen. Family members, anything. But you just gotta be prepared in that season or anywhere in life. So, man. And I feel like I'm learning that real slowly. But it's really important to know where you're going in life too. So, and pick the right people around you, because not everyone's supposed to is for you. You know, everyone is for you for a different, a certain season. So, yeah. Yep.